years, Andy had wanted a classic car, but was denied. Until now.
So,
Yes.
what have you just bought?
I have just bought a 1972 white 1275 round wheel arch MG Midget with only 10,000 miles on an approved Iversell unleaded refurbished engine.
Can I get a woohoo?
That video of me in the Beamer was taken about 4 days ago, which means in a few days' time, Margot the MG Midget will be turning up at my house. I'm excited, I'm aroused, I'm a little bit nervous. I've always wanted to own a classic car, and I thought, why not document the whole process as a little side project to our Two Chaps thing, which is me getting the car, me researching the car, me trying to run the car. But I am slightly prepared. I have one of these. I've got one of these. And I've got one of these, which is where all my money will be going. Anyway, join me on this epic journey together as I experience what it's like to own and run an MG Midget. Stand by for more updates.